Hello and welcome to your video lesson on area of a circle. In this lesson we are going to learn how to calculate the area of a circle. Well, how do we do that? First we must know the formula. Now this formula was created by combining two things we already know: circumference and area of a parallelogram. Well, you look at this is a circle, so you wonder, how does area of a parallelogram have to do with a circle? Well, I'll get to that in a second. First of all, let's remember, what is the circumference of a circle? Circumference of a circle is the distance around a circle, okay? And that is calculated by multiplying your pi by your diameter, okay? That is circumference of a circle. Or it could be 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by the radius, okay? So those are the two formulas for circumference of a circle, and we are going to need to know that. We're also going to have to remember that a parallelogram has an area of base times height. So this is why we need to know that. If I take a look at this circle here and I cut into many little pieces and I separate it like so and then move them together, I end up making a parallelogram. Okay? So each of these pieces were parts of the circle. Now, so right here we made many little triangles and put them together to make a parallelogram. Now, this red part here was half of the circle. Okay, so it's half the circumference. Okay, now the blue part was the other half of the circumference. And these two pieces together, the bottom half and the top half, when we put them together, it made a parallelogram. Now the base is, like we said, half of the circle, which is the same as half of a circumference, right? That's the distance of half a circle, so half the circumference. So that is pi times radius times 2. But we only want half, so we divide it by 2, which is pi times radius. And that's what gives us the base. Now the second part is our height. Our height here is the radius. From top to bottom, it is only the radius. So now we know the area of a parallelogram is base times height. So what we're going to do here is substitute. We know the base is pi times r. So we're going to put that in for base. And we know the height is r. So first we put the base in, pi times r, and we put in our height r. And we combine this formula together, we end up getting pi times r, or pi r squared. So now we found out the area of a circle is pi r squared. And that is how they found the area of a circle. I hope you understand this. Good luck as I talk more about this with you.